Okay guys, so this is how I upload my YouTube videos to start going viral. Like my videos started picking up. I I don't know if other content creators, I mean other YouTubers are using this street to go viral in this YouTube street. So this is how I normally upload my YouTube videos anytime I want to upload, and my videos are getting a lot of views. My videos are picking up, my channels are growing, and that was has helped me to get over 1.15k subscribers. So I believe that you are watching me and you're gonna use this my viral upload method. So all you have to do is just come over to your YouTube's main app. Then let's just say I want to upload a video. I'll click on this plus sign. It will take me to where my videos are. Once it opens, maybe I just want to upload this video. Yes, I'll just click on the video. I'll upload it, click on the next, then it will bring it to where I'm going to add all my details and all of that. The first thing I'm going to do is to first impute my thumbnail. I'll first impute my thumbnail. I'll click on this pencil sign, then it will take me to my gallery. Let's just say this is the thumbnail I want to impute. Then I'll just click on the thumbnail, click on done, then put the title. Maybe this title of my video is let's just say um YouTube, and let me say how to get more views. The smart, sorry guys, how to get more views this on YouTube, on YouTube, the smart way. Okay, how to get more views on how to get more views on YouTube the smart way. So once you have finished imputing your title, then you come and add your description. Now in the description aspect, you don't have to make your description to be too long, too big, just a short description. In this video, I will show you the smartest way, the smartest way to get more views on YouTube in 2025. So then once you are finished, just put some hashtag that is related. I'll just put on get more views. Then then let's say views. Yes, let's say views. I'll click on views. Then I'll also put on how to get how to get more views. So once you have finished imputing your title, then you make sure that the next thing you are going to do is to link one of your playlists, one of your other videos as playlist. I mean link one of your playlists to the next line. I mean putting one of your playlists. Maybe you can say watch my other videos, then you put a symbol, an arrow down, then you put your playlist here. Okay, you put your playlist here. Once you are done, then you go back. Then the next one is to make sure that your video is not made for kids. Mine is not made for kids. Or if you are making your video to be made for kids, no problem. Then you make sure you are adding this particular video to a playlist. Let me just say get more views fast on YouTube, because this video is related to how to get more views. So I will link it to a particular playlist of mine. Then altered content, if you're making a video that is using AI or something, yes, just click yes. But if you are making this video out of AI, like this video is originally made from you, then click on no. So once you are done, you go back. Then the next one is add paid promotion. If you are promoting this video with a paid, like you are promoting a product of yours or any course of yours, then you click yes. But if you are not adding, if this video does not include any paid promotion, you click on no. So mine doesn't include any paid promotion. So once you are done, put your location. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you're in United States, you put Nigeria. So once you are done filling all the section here, all the section that is here, then you click on upload. Okay, so once you click on upload, then the next one we are going to go is to go over to our VIDIQ. Once you have come over to your VIDIQ, okay, let's just say this is the video we have uploaded. Okay, so this is the video. We'll click on the video and it will bring you to all the metadata scores and all of that. It will bring you to your title, your thumbnail, your details, your SEO. Okay, your SEO. So let's just take for instance you want to you want to create a description for that particular title. All you have to do is just to come over to this generate, or like say you, okay, you want to create a title. Okay, so just let's just say you want to let's just say you want to create a description. Yes, so just type in the name of that your video to this generate button, once you have typed in the name of the video, then just click on that video. Okay, let's just say this is the video we have typed in, and it will bring you all the things you need, all your metadata. It will give you your tags, it will give you your description and your script. It will also give you your title. Okay, so let's just go back to what we are discussing before we now jump into this particular place. So this is our video that we have uploaded. So we want to make sure that all the tags, I will also make sure that all the tags that I imputed here is correct, like it aligns with what my video is all about. Okay, like it aligns with all my what my video is all about. So when you look at this one, my video is all about YouTube tips you need to abandon this year. You need to abandon in 2025. Okay, so let's just take it as the video we have uploaded. So look, this is are the tags that VidIQ will provide for you. Like once you have typed in that particular title of the video you want to create into that generate search button, it will now bring you the tags that you are going to use for that video. So these are the tags that VidIQ have brought for me to use for this my particular video. And sometimes the best part of it is that it's not a must that you use all the tags that they present, like the tags that are related to your video. So what I always do is I'll also attach some of tags that are not also related to my video, so that when people are searching for that particular tags, like as you are looking at these tags now, you can see Roblox blocks fruit, and blocks fruit. It doesn't align with what my video is all about. So, but I have to impute it because VidIQ has suggested it for me. And when you are looking at this, you will see that they have a higher search word volume. This Roblox blox fruit has 48 search, like the competition is kind of lower, you understand, but people are searching it. Many people are not putting the tags, so I have to put it so that I can get views. Then this one is blocks fruit, yes, then it is ranking 70, and the other one blocks fruit is ranking 67. Did you see? So if people are searching under this blocks fruits and all of them, they are going to see my videos and they are going to click on my video. You see, I will start getting views from different traffic and different sources. So sometimes you need to put some keywords that are not attached to your videos to see if you are going to get traffic from that particular video. So this is how I do my videos, and my channel, my views started picking up on my channel. So the next thing you will do is, like, if you want to remove any changes from here, if you want to remove any changes, just tap on that particular task, click on this X icon, click on this X icon, just click on it. Once you click on it, then you add your tags. Once you add your tags, you put comma. Let's just say how to get more subscribers, okay, on YouTube. So once you have put the tags, then you come here, you click on it, it will change, okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to my YouTube dashboard. Then this is where we are going to add the metadata and all of that. Put the end screen, the cars, add it to playlist and all of that. Then put the visibility, do everything that we have to do. Okay, so this is the title of my video, and this is the description. Now when you look at the description, you see that my description is in line with my title. Like, it is a keyword rich title, and it can help you to recommend my videos. Okay, so once you have done in your description, make sure your description is short, like is a brief. Then don't just forget about my own. Then make sure your keywords is related to what your content is all about. Make sure that you are putting the right keywords, putting everything. Then if you the another one, like I told you, is also make sure that you put on your playlist. Make sure you put one or two of your playlist, put it in the description box, so that you other people can get to see more of your content you have on your channel. So once you have finished, I will have finished putting my playlist. I'll put my thumbnail, add the video to a particular playlist. Can you see? You can see it. Add it to a particular playlist. Then you click on done. Then come here, click on show more. Yes, the reason why we are using this, I'm using this dashboard, the Chrome version, is not that I'll not get views. If you are using this Chrome version to upload your videos and do all your editing, all your SEO, metadata optimization, you still get views, just if you do it the right way. So, but here we are just here to put in the metadata and everything. So you make sure that I will make sure that my content is not altered content. Then I'll turn on the automatic chapters, the automatic places, then add my tags. Yes, tag that are related to what my video is all about, and other tags that can help my video to go viral. So once I'm done, I make sure that I put my video to publish to subscription feed and notify my subscribers, so that whenever I publish video, my subscriber will get notified and it will drop on their subscription feed. Then you put the category of what your video is all about. Like this, my channel is always is all about YouTube growth, social media growth. So the best category I can put it is how to and styles. Yes, how to and styles. I don't have to put it in another category, so that I don't want this video to be showing in another category at the end. People will not be clicking it. So once I'm done, the next thing there is to go over to my end screen, add my end screen and cards. Okay, so the end screen, just I'll click on this, tap on this pencil icon and wait for it to opens. Once it opens, I'll just impute my end screen. Yes, and in my end screen, I always make sure that I put one video and one playlist. Like I use the element of one video and one playlist. Okay, so that is it. Once I'm done, then the next one is to come over to my cards. Yes, and put my cards. So my cards is just, I always put 5 cards at the end of my video, and once I'm done, I'll make sure that the card is also is a kind of related to what my video is all about. So once I'm done, I'll just click on save. But for now, I've already added the tags and everything. I'm just using it for the case of this tutorial. So let me just discard it. So this is how I upload my YouTube videos, and will start getting the views. So let me know in the comment section how you upload your YouTube videos, if you use this method that I'm using, if you upload your videos through the Chrome version, I mean the YouTube desktop site, if you upload using the YouTube app, if you are making use of VIDIQ to optimize your videos. Just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, this is it for how I upload my YouTube videos. So thank you, bye bye. I will see you in my next video. Please make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up so that a lot of people can see how I upload my YouTube videos, and they will also let us know in the comment section how they also upload their YouTube videos. Let's gather here, small YouTubers, gather on the comment section, and let's connect to each other. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.